Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a Michael's haul as well as a shop with me walkthrough. Okay, so I picked up these colors of paper by Recollections for Halloween. Also picked up those circle thingies. I forget what they're called. They're brand new to me, so I found these little wood things for wrapping ribbon, found some jewelry stuff, found found some of these orange ones, and here is the walkthrough, you guys. So this is what Michael's has for Halloween. My store has been super slow at stocking Halloween stuff, and I think it's not going to be much, but wow, have these stores really sucked this year, right, for Halloween? Anyways, I love this collection of Halloween. I love those stamps. I've had some ink in my hands, so ignore that. I love the dies as well. I wanted to pick one up, but I think I have enough Halloween dies that look like that I could kind of get away with it. But I definitely love these ghosts as well, and also hopefully I'm able to catch some once they're on sale. Here are some eyes, definitely good for shadow box. There's some spiders back there as well. I love these pumpkin stickers. They're so pretty. I didn't have any use for them as of right now. I also love these stickers, and I really think that the collection is cute for traditional Halloween. I really liked it after looking through everything and seeing everyone's videos on it, and yeah, I kind of liked it. It's very fun, traditional, and yeah, it looks really neat. Here is some of the acetate, just flipping through really quick. There's a spider decal there, and here's the 12 by 12. I do flip through that as well. The ghost paper does remind me of Hey Pumpkin. There's a sheet on there that has all of the ghosts, so I really like that. There's some bottles that you could definitely get from Dollar Tree. Here are some skeletons that you could definitely get from Dollar Tree as well. Paint them as if they're not the color that you like. And I think oh yeah, here is some of a sticker pack, and yeah, that's a little bit dark. I'm not sure if it went with the collection or not, but I do know the stickers do go with the collection. Here is a decal as well, and some washi. Yeah, I'm having trouble putting that back. There's some glitter packs there. And then these stickers right here. These are a little kind of vintage looking witchy type of sticker. It's nothing like the paper pad down at the bottom. There's some other things there. This is the sticker pack that goes with the paper pad, and it's pretty fun. Very cute Halloween. So here are some wood displays. They have lights in them, so you could definitely paint these and then turn the light on and light it all up. And yeah, these look like so much fun, as well as sending for Happy Mail. Imagine your swap partner gets something painted and all altered from you, and then they have a light to turn it on. It'd be very fun to watch and also receive. So I move on over to the Pom Poms. I thought that they went well with Halloween, so I wanted to show that. Wanted to show also these, yeah. Okay, so here are some felt sheets for those who use felt for your projects. There's some Halloween colors in there, the same colors that they have every year, but I wanted to show it just so you can see that you have options for Halloween, and it's not just stickers. You can also use felt with your die cuts as well. If you're using a die cut, you may need some scissors or an X-Acto knife to go through that. Here is the paper aisle, and I wanted to show it as well to show you what's available for Halloween. There's no Halloween paper here, but there are the solid colors, the glitter colors that you're able to use, as well as some textured paper. So I was looking at see if there's a nice purple in here, and yeah, there wasn't a very like plum purple. You know, I was looking for like a plum purple, but yeah, here are some ceramic Halloween items, and I thought the pumpkin bat was really cute, so wanted to show that for those who are decorating their home with Halloween. So right behind this rack shelf, there are the little teeny treasures that they have available for decorating shadow boxes or having a Halloween miniature Halloween town decoration if you like that sort of thing. But I thought these were really neat because you can really alter like a box or something with it as well, shadow box. Also place them in some Happy Mail as well, or just make something and alter it. I thought that was really nice, especially this little oh, okay, so to I love that house right there. That house is amazing, but definitely all of these houses are awesome. If I were able to have a little miniature Halloween town, I would definitely have one, but my little one will see it as a toy and will definitely take it and break it. So we don't do that. We don't go there, even though it's cute, but I would love to have one. And yeah, I love that tree to the left there, but yeah, these houses are really cute. Here's a close-up. Okay, back to the other side of the shelf. Here are some more of the teeny treasures, and a little close-up as well. I love that sign with the pumpkins, and I also love the witch feet and the skeleton in the coffin. I love that as well. Isn't she cute? She's such a cute little girl dressed up in Halloween. I love the ghost sign. I love the three-tiered pumpkin. And I show you this little piece here. I thought that was cute together as well. Okay, so at the end of the aisle in a little tiny small portion of the store, which I look at, it's already been picked through. This is because there's no Halloween and everyone's trying to grab what they have because it's going to be gone eventually. And yeah, so these are the picks here. Pumpkins, witches, bats, yeah, that voodoo doll. I love the ghost. And this thing here, I thought this was cute with all the spiders. I like this too. So definitely you could use all of those picks for albums. I like to use that for albums sticking out of the album. So I went over to the storage area because they were having a sale, but not much of a sale. Remember how it was pre-COVID? So yeah, I saw these boxes, right, or these storage containers for only $10. They were on clearance. So onto the clearance aisle, they had a whole kind of on one side of the aisle. So I did look through a little bit. I wanted to show you that because there were pom poms and they were orange for Halloween, as well as these bright pink. I thought that was cute for Halloween as well. And then I was looking through here. There's so much going on. There's so much pom poms in those bins that I was seeing. And here are some wood letters. Everything's on clearance. and that's where I found those wood pieces in my haul, right in this area. And yeah, they really had it really nice this time. Usually it's very junky. I like those bags. I didn't pick it up. Here are the celebrated tissues, which I thought were a little bit expensive. There's the Elmer's spray glue if you guys are using that. Some more pom poms. So there was so much pom poms in here, and I didn't find much. I was looking through here and there, and so here are the wood pieces that I picked up that I will be using for ribbon. Hopefully I can do that and probably paint them. They sell these at Dollar Tree, and I was showing you because, you know, that was a good price, because usually that's for each bottle is $1 at Dollar Tree. So yeah, if you're into that glitter glue, and you can go there. So this really concludes the video, and here is like a pack of glitter I wanted to show you guys. It's about $17. Not sure if that's a good price or not, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.